Hey everyone, I am Hari. In today's video, I am going to show you how to install a Linux operating system on your Windows machine using VirtualBox. Let's get started. So, to install the Linux, we want to install VirtualBox in our Windows system. Search for VirtualBox in Google and select the first link you see. So here we want to select Windows host. So it will go to download section at win.exe. Next you want to search for Ubuntu 20.04 ISO image, that is 64-bit. Here I am using that is, and select for server install image, that is also 64. Yeah, it will take some more time to download. Then I have already installed the VirtualBox exe. So click on new and here give your name for the Linux distro and select the ISO image, also the type and all base memory processors, as you can select as you want. So here I am giving about 2 GB of RAM. You can give as much as you want according to your Windows machine spec. So I am giving disk size about 25 and CPU cores 2 cores. So it will take time. So you can see in the screen the system is preparing the VM. So it is loading. Yeah, you can see that. It will take some time for loading and downloading all the essential files. When all the dependencies are downloaded, the virtual machine will prompt you to enter the username and password. So by completing it, your virtual machine setup is being completed. You are free to use it. Thank you for watching the video. See you in next one.